Welcome to our visual tour. Welcome to the warmth and serenity of the country. Spread out in this spacious 4-bedroom 2.5 bath house in Davie Acres, hidden from the street on 2,411 acres with an attached 1-bedroom 1-bath in-law quarters. What's more is that there is a large detached workshop building that has its own bathroom and septic system. Tile and wood floors throughout, lots of windows, big bedrooms and plenty of storage space. Newly painted inside and out, there is a wood-burning fireplace in the living room. Formal dining room. Eat-in kitchen. Sunroom. Laundry room and a fantastic family room. Partial zoning Gore agriculture and row crop saves on taxes. You'll love relaxing in the sunroom overlooking the beauty of the land with fruit trees and the convenience of a half bath and laundry room. The master suite is on the first floor. Quiet and serene. Room for boats, RV, horses.